interesado ako dito. At I'm sure lahat tayo ay interesado. Bukod sa corruption, ang number one problema ng Pilipinas, krimen. So, para pag-usapan ang kanyang technology on crime prevention, crime detection, emergency response, and crime investigation, may we call on the CEO of J&F Advanced Technologies, Japhet Bahay.
Thank you, madam. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Japhet Bahay. I'm from Bohol, which is earthquake prone. So, sir, pakibisita mo sa Bohol soon. So, if Mr. Aaron talk about supercomputers, I'll be talking about tiny computers. Okay, so my device, I call it JAS. See, if you hear, okay, so nare-record niya po yung voice as a demo, no? So, nakukuha niya yung voice ko doon, binabato dito. Okay, may ano lang, may 7 seconds lag. So, yeah, so yung meron siyang camera doon, binabato niya dito nakukuha. So if I move here, I can see myself. Diba? So both iPad and iPhone, you can access the image and you can access the voice with any device. So